Hello guys, welcome to AI mentorship program organized by Tech Genius Academy. In this video, I would put us through how to use the prompt generated from ChatGPT to create videos on Vue. So what's the first step? The first step is to create a Vue account. And how do you do that? On your own phone, go to your Chrome. But for the sake of this video, I'll be using Brave. So when you go to your Chrome, click here and type Vue. When you type on Vue, it's going to bring you to an interface like this where you have Google DeepMind. So click on the Google DeepMind. When you click on it, click on Try in Germany. When you do that, it's going to bring you to an interface where you need to sign up, okay, like to subscribe rather. So instead of you, don't click on the free of charge. So go to where you have this part, this particular, this where you have 28,500 naira. Then you click on get started. So when you get started, it's going to take you to an interface where you have to input your card details. But for the sake of this video, I would not be doing that. If you don't know how to input your card details, we will talk about that in another, probably in the class. We'll talk about that in the class, okay? But for the sake of this video, I will go back to my own Chrome where I already have my card details entered. So we are going to use it to do the illustration. Then it's going to, after entering your card details, it's expected to bring it to an interface like this. On Vue, you are only permitted to create 3 videos per day. So mine is telling me I can only create 1 more because I've created 2 videos today. Okay, so we want to go back to the prompts that we created from ChatGPT. All right, so that's where we are going back to. So we are going back to that prompt. We'll go back to the prompts. We are going to copy the prompts. Okay, we copied the prompt. Then we'll come back to Vue and paste it there. Okay, so you remember in the previous video, we already generated one. Okay, so we want to ensure consistency. So what do? We are going to screenshot the characters from the first video we generated. Okay, then add the screenshots to this place where you have add pictures. This will enable you to generate consistency. So after doing that, then you press enter. Then wait for it to generate itself. Like I said in the previous video, it will take max 5 minutes depending on your network. So your task for today is to use the prompts I'll be dropping at the end of this video to generate your own video, download it and send to me. Use the prompts I'll be dropping at the end of this video to generate your own video on Vue, download it and send to me. I believe that's clear. Video is ready, so let's play it and let's see what we have there.
There are 2 spirits, like wolves, battling troll.
Okay, so that's what you are going to have after using the prompts I'll be dropping at the end of this video. So ensure that after generating them, you download it, because you will need each of this scene later on. And that's a wrap on this one. In our next video, we'll look at how to use Canva to combine the scenes together.